Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset a forgotten Forex account's password. If you've forgotten your Forex.com account's password, you can reset it by following these steps. First of all, open a web browser on your device. Go to the search box or the web address bar and type in Forex.com. Once you search for it, you will end up in the homepage of Forex.com. Tap on the menu button at the top right and click on the login button on the next page. In the login options, select whether you would like to log into your account or log in using MetaTrader platform. Choose any one option that you used while signing up, and then once you end up in the login screen, click on I forgot my password. Now, enter your account's details and you will receive an email with a password reset link. Type down your username that is associated with your Forex.com account in the first text box. On the next field, type in your email address. Once you are done entering the credential, click on Get New Password. You will receive a password reset link sent to your email inbox. Go ahead and open up your email service provider's inbox and you will receive an email from Forex.com. Open up the email and click on Reset Password. Now, on the next page, type in a new password for your Forex.com account. Enter the new password in the first tab and re-enter the same password on the next field. After you are done, make sure that your password also contains these characters at the bottom, and finally tap on Set New Password. Now, you can log in using your new password on Forex.com. Whenever you are trying to log into your account, enter the newly updated password and log into your account, and that's how you easily reset your forgotten password for Forex.com. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.